What were you doing with shovels?
Starting a community garden.
What were you growing?
Radishes.
Okay, that tracks. You can grow radishes in Colorado in April. You use Miracle Grow?
Compost. It's organic and better for root vegetables.
That's a good tip. See, what I do is I bury a dead fish in the dirt. I learned that from a Snoopy Thanksgiving special.
Maybe you can discuss gardening tips later, ? I hope you're telling the truth. Not just because we're friends, but because we're cops. Do you believe her?
Oh, absolutely. Radishes are cool season crops. They can tolerate a light frost.
Oh, not about that, about Joseph.
Absolutely not. She was way too quick to throw him under the bus. She's covering for another non-human. But who?
Someone who's been here for a while. Someone she spends all her time with. Remember way back when Max said the Newtown doctor is an alien and you threatened to throw him in jail?
Son of a bitch.
It's the new doctor. He's an alien.
Son of a bigger bitch. Damn, I can't believe all this time it was right under our noses. Deputy, take a big whiff. That is the smell of success.
Or it's just the Sharpie ink.
That too. We should probably open a window.
Darcy, can I come in? Yeah. I won't be long. It's okay. I just put Bella down. Bella? You named her. Yeah. Isabella Rose is my grandmother's name. Oh, it's beautiful. It's way better than Daisy. I mean, who's named Daisy these days? My aunt's dog. Love that. So much better for a dog than a spaceship. Baby. So, keeping Bella a secret, it was to protect you and her, I swear. But that doesn't make it right. And
Look, the other night was a lot. I was overwhelmed and hurt, but I know that you were put in an impossible situation. You're my friend, and I know that we're gonna get through this.
Oh, I have something to show you.
Okay?
Okay. That's her first smile. That's me giving her a bath. That's her pulling my hair. She loves red. I don't know what it is. That is her laughing when she farted. Maybe it's when I farted. I don't know. The point is she knows that farting is funny.
You know what? I actually have some stuff to do today, so now maybe isn't the best time.
What just happened? Did I do something wrong?
Nope, I just don't want to do this right now.
I thought we were good.
This isn't about you.
Well, everything was fine, and now you're upset, so obviously it's about me. Well, is this because you can tell I think Bella is a dumb name?
Look, I'm just sad about everything I missed. Okay? And I don't have it in me to make you feel better about yourself right now, so please just go.
Chemistry is the science of change. Add or subtract just one ingredient and everything can spiral out of control. Friendships are no different. Asta leaving patients would act as a catalyst, rapidly destabilizing the balance of our bond. Much like this formula, which might explode. I should probably move the snacks.
Harry. Mike and Liv were just at the clinic. They saw us on a trail cam while we were going over to dig up the mantid. Your face was blocked in the picture, so I covered for you, but it's only a matter of time before they figure it out.
I do not need your help, and it's okay if you leave town. I don't care, because I've replaced you with a new friend. Little Asta, hand me that beaker. Thanks.
We're not friends. We're just partners in a joint venture.
I'm not leaving patients, okay? I've got Jay, you know, and Darcy, and my dad. My life is here.
I heard a lot of names, not mine. That's okay, because I have little Asta now. She's younger than you, so statistically, she will live longer than old Asta.
Fine. Have fun with little Asta. Sorry, it's not about you.
You think I don't know that?
Hi, I'm Robert. I'm Peter Bach's son.
I know.
I heard your podcast. Didn't expect to hear my name. Since my dad died, I didn't expect anyone to be looking.
You better sit down. There's something you need to know. Your father is alive.
No, that's not possible. I saw him die.
Well, the government revived him.
Like CPR? Or
It's more like Frankenstein. I can't contact him, but the moment I hear from him, I'll tell him you're here. He'll be thrilled.
that's incredible. Until then, can you put me in jail?
What? Why would you want that?
I think someone's following me.
I know you've been through a lot, but I promise I'll keep you safe.
All I can eat? Challenge accepted.
Mark, alcoholic. Thank you, Dina, for inviting me to share. My sobriety date is June 24th, 1997. I have a sponsor. I also sponsor other people. And most importantly, I have a higher power, which I call God. We all know the ups and the downs, drugs and alcohol, nearly everything. And now I can just last night, I went to bed. No debating on whether I wanted to live or not. Just looking for like a person.
I saw someone blow through a stop sign, and I got so angry. And then it hit me. I used to do that. I'd drive drunk with my kid in the backseat all the time.
Casey, I was the best skier in my school. I had sponsorships, all of it. I got kicked off the team. I lost my scholarship, and I had to come here. I get that I need to stay sober. I get that it's my fault. But what if I stay sober and I never get back to where I was?
Sunny, alcoholic, 11 years next week. So I got a new sponsee recently, and we really hit it off. I thought we had a good thing going. Talking, meeting up, checking in. But then she went out, and so I called her and left a message. Nothing. Now, the old me would have gone over there and tried to fix it, to be the one who pulled her back. Then I realized that's making someone else's journey about me. And I've been down that path. It's not good. Not everything is about me all the time. So yeah, it's a little sad today, but I'm here. That's pretty amazing.
Hard to get the best of me.